Hey guys, welcome to Heybike Station. I'm Freddie. Today we are unboxing the Mars 3.0. Let's get started. Loosen and remove the top screw and protective ring mold. Keep the top bolt and cap for reinstallation. Install and fold down the stem by pulling the latch. Install the top cap and bolt onto the head tube. Ensure there is no gap between the stem and head tube by pressing them together while tightening the top bolt. This prevents wobbling during use. If wobbling occurs, repeat this step. If it feels too loose or tight, adjust the clamp side bolt. Tighten the two lower side bolts on the stem. Loosen the protective shield bolts to release the front fork. Remove the brake protection clip positioned between the brake pads. Remove the axle protection covers from both ends of the front wheel axle. Loosen or remove the axle end nuts. The end nut and hooking washer are outside the fork, with the washer's pointed end facing upwards towards the fork hole. Securely tighten the axle end nuts. Place the protective bolt caps onto both ends of the axle. Remove the headlight bolt from the front fork. Insert the fender under the fork with the longer end covering the rear side of the reel. Align the holes of the fender, headlight bracket, and fork. Then reinstall and tighten the headlight bolt with a washer on each end between the nut and the fork. Loosen the fork's side bolts. Align the fender stays with the openings and secure them by tightening the bolts. Thread the right pedal into the right crank arm clockwise and tighten with a wrench. Thread the left pedal into the left crank arm counterclockwise and tighten. And adjust to your preferred height. Close the clamp. Open the seat tube clamp. If the clamp feels too loose or tight, adjust using the clamp bolt. If the clamp feels too loose or tight, adjust using the clamp side bolt. The keys are located near the handlebar. Cut the zip tie to detach. Insert the key into the lock. Press and turn it so the metal column retracts. Remove the key. Fold the frame and pull the handle to slide out the battery. Fold the frame, then open the latch onto the stem to fold it. Fold the pedals by pressing and lifting upward. The folded bike can stand on its own. To unfold, secure the stem by closing the latch. Slide the battery back in before unfolding the frame and locking the latch. Unfold the pedals and you're ready to ride.